In this way, 1 year more passed. Maximum, all total, 2 years I live in Devananda Gaudiya Math. But that time Gurudev came in Devananda Gaudiya Math. He is General Secretary and Vice President. He is managing all things. Srila Bhaman Goswami Maharaj going preaching center, always preaching, sometimes coming in temple, but he is neutral, not taking care. Always in temple management, all good things, all management, everything managing Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj. In this way, at that time when Gurudev came, after Param Guru Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, in Navadvip Dham, that time no good management, all disturbance. They called to Gurudev. In this way they came from Mathura, come in there. Then he is managing, very slowly manage, because that time not so much money, no income, no money. In this way some problems. But that time Gurudev, I have seen, one Mataji from Bardhaman, she gave some donation, 10,000 rupees. So Gurudev started some work on the gate. In this way he did so many work. After that, Gurudev came to Mathura. Gurudev told all are Bengali, they are managing. I am only one Bihari, came from Bihar. So some atpata, some disturbance, no compromise. So I am going to Mathura, I am preaching there, that is my life, this is my good things. In this way, Gurudev discussed with me. Then I told Gurudev, you are going, so I am coming. Gurudev told, okay, but you are coming after 1 month. Because that time everyone going here, there. That time become empty. So at a time you are coming. In this way, Gurudev spoke me. After Navadvip Parikrama, Gurudev came to Mathura. At that time, after 1 month, I came to Mathura. Then I found Gurudev Sevak is not there. Survey of Gurudev, Lakshman Prabhu, he is not there. Because too much hot, very heat in summer season, no rice, only chapati. In this way, he is not like, so he is going back in house. So I came there. Gurudev was very happy. Then I have seen no brahmacharis there, only 15, 16 brahmacharis. But all are old men, all are senior. There are one Kalachand Prabhu, he is giving prasadam to Gurudev. That time when I came, he told me, oh, you can give prasad. So I was serving to Gurudev. But in temple have problem, no water. Have water, very salty water. Who is using this salty water from the oil? In this way, in the early morning, I am going, maximum 2:30 or 3 o'clock. I am going to outside, bringing tap water by the bucket. 2 bucket water, 2 bars. I open books in the kitchen room, then I give water. After that, going again. Then I am reading 2 verses, and going and coming. Then complete 2 verses. In this way, every day 60-70 bucket water I brought in temple. I keep there all tanky full. In this way I am reading books and reading verse. So Gurudev that time, very powerful, very control, very strong, very strict. In the early morning, 3 o'clock, Gurudev woke up and he started Harinam. Every day he is starting Harinam, chanting Harinam and prayer, so many prayer. Radhika Ashtakam, Nandanandana Ashtakam, Brajaraj Sutta Ashtakam, other Ashtakam, so many Ashtak. Then Gurudev chanting, reading, no books. He has practice like Venu Geet, Gopi Geet, Jugal Geet, Pranay Geet, or Brahmar Geet. All Geet, everything he is speaking, singing very nicely. At that time, Gurudev's voice is very good voice, very sweet voice. Gurudev always chanting. In the morning, never spoke any kind of katha. Before 7 o'clock, anyone cannot speak with Gurudev. 50,000 Harinam already complete. And all prayers. After then, Gurudev taking bath after 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock, 10 minutes. Taking bath. After bath, sitting, tilak, annik, mantra jap. After mantra jap, after annik, we are coming together of happen after Gurudev. So Gurudev going to temple, pranam there, offering and offer flowers. In this way, Gurudev doing parikram, then coming. When sitting on the bed, then I am speaking to Gurudev. Gurudev, please listen my verse. Then all total, every day I am speaking 60-70 words. Speaking to Gurudev. Gurudev was very happy, very funny mood. So cleaning and washing clothes every day. Again, cooking prasadam. All are senior persons. So we are brahmachari, we are small, so we have a habit. We are cooking there. Then 11:30. So Jamuna Prasad Chobi, Gurudev told him, so he is small boy, he can study some English, some Sanskrit, so you can take him in the school. Then he took me in Mathur Chaturved Sanskrit Mahavidyalaya. I studied there. Every day, cooking prasadam, 11:30, I call to Pujari, you can take bhoga. She is taking bhoga, going to temple. 11:30. After 10 minutes, only in the 10 minutes, very quickly, I am giving prasadam to Gurudev. So Gurudev sitting and taking prasadam because he knows I am going to school. Nobody there who is giving. So in this way, before 12 or quarter to 12, at that time I am giving prasadam to Gurudev. Gurudev taking prasadam, very quickly I took some prasadam in plate, eating and going to school. 12 o'clock, I am going to school, very near. In this way I have no problem. So I am going to school, I study there. After 4:30 or 5 o'clock, I am coming back. Then every day I give some fruit or paneer, chana, giving to Gurudev. Took something, eat. After then, Gurudev sit on the veranda, on the chair. Call to everyone. Okay, everyone come to me. We are going sitting there. Gurudev told, okay, study. We are reading books. All Bhakti Vinod Thakur books. Gurudev like Bhakti Vinod Thakur books and Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur. Very, very lovely. Gurudev like Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur commentary and all his books. So we study there. We are reading something. Then Gurudev asked, okay, what do you understand? Tell me. Everyone is speaking something. Gurudev teach again, nicely speaking. Or in this way, very nicely understand. So in this way, we study from Gurudev.